What's up guys, this is Trailbound Chris, and today I am fixing a seat that I stripped out. This KTM seat off my 250XC has these brass inserts here, as you can see there. And I've stripped out one of them just from over time and just getting wore out. You can see the bolt just goes all the way in, it doesn't even thread. The solution that I'm using to keep this stock bolt size the way it is, not drilling it out and tapping it for a larger bolt, because that would be annoying. You'd have to use, you know, different wrenches and all that. I'm going to use a Healy coil. So these Healy coils come in a set that comes with a drill bit, a tap, these little insert tools here, this little punch, as well as these little threaded coil inserts. And this is the important part. So I don't know if you can see these little things, but it's just a little threaded thing. And as you can see, I have it matching the bolt, the KTM bolt. I should probably check what size this is. So if you guys are doing this, you won't have to measure the thread like I did. It's on Amazon, pretty cheap. So the one I use is the M6 by 1 millimeter thread repair insert kit. These are called Healy coils. What we're gonna need is your drill. And doing this in the drill press would be better, but the seat's such a weird size that it's not really worth trying to mount that. So we're just gonna do it by hand. Just double check this is the right size. Yep, that bolt just falls right in there. All right, so the supplied drill bit that it comes with. We'll see if it even needs to be drilled out. It might be too. Yeah, I mean, so stripped out. So now we're gonna take our tap, and I don't have the tap wrench on me, so we're just gonna use a crescent wrench for now. And it's brass, so it should be super easy. I don't think I need any oil lubricant in there. If this was steel, that would be a different thing. But most stuff on dirt bikes are aluminum, or in this case, brass. So now we're just gonna remove this. Not sure what this is for. So we'll just take our little Healy coil and this tool that they provide you with, and as you can see, there's a little ridge in there, and this can go in there, and you can spin it, and it just threads in. I guess I might throw some Loctite in on this. Oh shit. Uh-oh, I fucked it up. Alright guys, I messed this up already. So I went to back it out, and then I broke the tang off. So don't try to back out. Remember, if you want to put Loctite in there, you should probably do it ahead of time. So I'm gonna use some vice grips to pull that out. Uh-oh. It's not wanting to come out. Just kind of snapping off. Sort of getting all springy. I don't know if this is gonna work. Hopefully. Oops. I don't know if you guys can see this, but it's getting a little hairy. Alright. Okay, I got it. That's good. Good thing they give you 25 of these. Alright. So, we're just going to throw some red Loctite in there. And we'll try this again. I don't know that you need Loctite, but... Okay, so... Putting this in. Thread's nice and clean in. I didn't mess that up, that's good. and we're just gonna go a little bit deeper than the thread itself. So the last part is to we're gonna want to break that tang off that we used to thread that in. So all you do is you use this little punch that they give you. I don't know why it's not flat on the top, but and we'll take our hammer, we'll just hit it, and that just breaks that off. So now that metal should come out of there, and yeah, I should probably wait for the Loctite to dry, but let's just see. Just to show you guys, the bolt kind of just threads right in there. Alright guys, thanks for checking out this quick video on how to do Healy coil inserts on your dirt bike. So hopefully that was helpful. If you guys have any other solutions, let me know in the comments, but this is the one I took, and we'll see how it holds up in the long run. If something happens, I'll do a follow-up video, or I'll probably post something on Instagram. So follow us on there at Trailbound Co. and subscribe to your YouTube channel for more content like this. Thanks guys, we'll see you guys out on the trail.